Bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome to our French for Beginners Lesson 8, Course 1. First, let's review our previous lesson. Les animaux. Ready? Number 1. Les animaux. Un chat. Un chien. Un oiseau. Un éléphant. Un lion. Un ours. Un cheval. Un tigre. Un taureau. Une tortue. Un cochon. Une vache. Un mouton. Un canard. Courir. Marcher. Sauter. Vite. Lentement. Très bien. Very good. Let's now start our lesson 8. Exercise. In French, exercice. Today, we'll see some more verbs and learn how to conjugate in French. Ready? Marcher. Marcher. To walk. Courir. Courir. To run. Sauter. Sauter. To jump. Faire de l'exercice. Faire de l'exercice. To do exercise. Faire stands for do. Faire de l'exercice. Nager. Nager. To swim. Danser. Danser. To dance. Faire du vélo. Faire du vélo. To ride a bike. We saw earlier the word faire means do. Literally, to do bicycle. Faire du vélo. Jouer. Jouer. To play. You probably noticed the phonetic E and R sound E. Jouer. Danser. Nager. Good. Next. Transpirer. Transpirer. To sweat. You can hear 3 syllables. Trans. Pi. Re. Transpirer. All right. Now let's learn how to express likes and dislikes. J'aime. J'aime. I like. Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. I don't like. The subject I in French is je. Je. Sometimes we find ourselves replacing the letter E with an apostrophe because the next word starts with a vowel. Je aime wouldn't sound good. We then put an apostrophe. J'aime. J'aime. Sounds a lot better, right? Je n'aime pas. Next. J'adore. J'adore. I love. Je déteste. Je déteste. I hate. Same rule as earlier. We put an apostrophe replacing the letter E because the next word starts with a vowel. J'adore. Je déteste. Very good. Let's have a short practice. Entraînement. You will need to replace the word verbe by an actual verb, one of those we've just learned. Let's try this. Let's check this together. J'aime nager. I like swimming. Je n'aime pas danser. I don't like dancing. J'adore faire du vélo. I love riding a bike. Good. Let's now learn how to conjugate. Conjugaison. What is conjugaison? Conjugation. Very good. First, we'll learn the verbs ending with E and R. Let's see the subject. I, in French, is je. Je. You is tu. Tu. He. Il. Il. She. Elle. Elle. We do not have it, but we instead. Un. Un. Il. Elle. Un. He. She. We. Nous. Nous. The proper way to use we. Nous. Vous. Vous. It means you for minimum 2 people. You all. Vous. Il with an S that is silent. In is the masculine version of they. Elle with an S that is silent means they, feminine version. Let's now see how to conjugate those verbs ending with ER. First, je, I, the verb will end with letter E. Tu, you, the verb will end with letters ES. Il, elle, on. He, she, we. The verb will end with letter E. Nous, as we. The verb will end with letters O, N, S. The letter S here is silent. Vous, what stands for you all, the verb will end with letters EZ that will sound E. E. The last one, il and elle with an S that stands for they, masculine and feminine. The verb will end with the letters ENT. But in this case, it doesn't sound en, but E. Just the same as the letter E. Let's see few verbs to see things clearer. The verb marcher, to walk. Je marche. Je marche. Tu marches. Tu marches. Letter S is silent. Il, elle, on marche. Marche. Nous marchons. Marchons. The letter S is silent. Vous marchez. Marchez. E and Z sounds E. Marchez. Il, elle marche. Marche. The letter S at the end of il and elle is silent. And the letter E, N over here doesn't sound en as usual, but E. Just the same as letter E over here. E. Marche. Il marche. Elle marche. All right, next verb. Sauter. Je saute. Je saute. Tu sautes. Tu sautes. Il saute. Elle saute. Un saute. Nous sautons. Nous sautons. Vous sautez. Vous sautez. Il, elle saute. Il, elle saute. Very good. One more verb over here. Nager, to swim. First one. Je nage. Je nage. Tu nages. Tu nages. Il, elle, on nage. Nage. Nous nageons. Nous nageons. You can see over here we added letter E to keep the letter G sounds J. Otherwise, letter G followed by letter O will sound go. Nagon. We then need to add letter E to keep the sound J. Nageons. I will explain this in another lesson. Next, vous nagez. Vous nagez. Il, elle nage. Il, elle nage. Very good. One last verb ending with ER. Jouer. To play. Je joue. Je joue. Tu joues. Tu joues. Il, elle, un joue. Il, elle, un joue. Nous jouons. Nous jouons. Vous jouez. Vous jouez. Il, elle joue. Il, elle joue. Great. How about verbs ending with IR? IR. Let's see. For je, it could end with letter S or letters ES. Same for the second subject, tu. As for il, elle, on, it could end with letter T or IT. Nous. It will end for the subject nous. It will end, or the subject nous. It will end with ONS, same as earlier for the verbs ending with ER, or SSONS, son. Son. For the subject vous, it could end, same as earlier, with letters EZ, that sounds E, or S, S, E, Z. C. C. As for our last subjects, il et elle with an S, it could end with letters ENT, that sounds E, or SSENT. S. S. Let's check with a verb to make it clearer. Courir, to run. Je cours ends with S. Tu cours ends with an S that are silent. Il, elle, on court ends with letter T that is also silent. Nous courons. Nous courons ends with OMS. Vous courez. Vous courez ends with EZ. Il, elle court. Il, elle court. It ends with ENT. Très bien. Very good. Grandir. To grow up. Sorry for that. I forgot up. To grow up. Je grandis. IS. Je grandis. Tu grandis. IS. Tu grandis. Again, letter S is silent for both. Il, elle, on grandit. Grandit. UT. Nous grandissons. Ni grandissons. SSOMS. Vous grandissez. Vous grandissez. SSEZ. Il, elle grandissent. Il, elle grandissent. SSENT. Why do we add double S? Simply because it sounds better. Nous grandions doesn't sound good. Vous grandiez doesn't sound good either. We then need to add SS. Alright, let's now check the verb ending with RE, R, and OIR, war. Let's see how to conjugate them. Je would be a verb ending with letter S. Tu would be the same. Il, elle, on, the verb would end with letter T or nothing. This symbol over here means nothing. Nous. The verbs will end with ONS or SSONS. Vous. The verbs will end with letters EZ, E, or SSEZ. C. Il et elle with an S that stands for they. The verbs could end in 3 different ways. A, written EMT. On, written ONT. Se, written SSEMT. Let's make this clear. Prendre, to take. Prendre. This verb ends with RE. Je prends needs to end with S. tu prends ends with S, but both are silent. Il, elle, on prend. It has nothing added. The symbol emptiness over here. Nous prenons. We removed the letter D and added O-N-S. Prenons. Simply because prendons doesn't sound so good. Prenons. Vous prenez. Prenez. Same rule. Prendez wouldn't sound good. Ils, elles, prennent. Prennent. Very good. Faire, to do. Faire, another verb ending with RE. Faire. Let's try this. Je fais. Ends with letter S. Silent S. Je fais. Tu fais. Same rule. Tu fais. Il, elle, on fait. Letter T. Fait. That is silent. Nous faisons. Nous faisons. The letter S over here sounds Z because it is linked with the letter O. Faisons. If you wanted the sound to be faisons, you would have to double the S. In this case, nous faisons. Vous faites. Vous faites. This one is irregular. Usually, vous goes with EZ. In this case, it is irregular, simply because it wouldn't sound good again. Vous faisiez doesn't sound so good. Vous faites. Ils, elles font. Ils, elles font. OMT. Now let's have a short review of what we've learned today. Résumé. Exercice. Marcher. Courir. Sauter. Faire de l'exercice. Nager. Faire du vélo. Jouer. Transpirer. J'aime. Je n'aime pas. J'adore. Je déteste. If you feel like you still need to practice the verbs and how to conjugate them, I will let you get back to the beginning of this lesson. Otherwise, you did a really, really impressive job today. Let's learn some more verbs next time. Until then, bravo, congratulations, à bientôt.